In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Sony AV receiver has no sound coming out of the speakers that are plugged in the back. So what you need to do? Well, there's two different fixes. The easiest thing you can try before going any further is to go ahead, turn it off, and unplug it from the wall outlet. All right? Then press the power button during at least 30 seconds, even if it's unplugged. What we're doing is we're trying to drain all the capacitors that are inside. This way, it will reboot freshly. After 30 seconds, release the power button. Now, next step is to go on the back. Now, I don't have anything connected here, but you probably have a few devices connected in these HDMI ports. Disconnect them all. Now, we're not going to replug this receiver right away. I suggest you wait at least 3 hours. So again, all the energy, all the capacitors are fully drained. After around 3 hours, go ahead, connect your receiver. And now plug on the back the first HDMI cable. You probably had many devices, but it's better to start one by one so we can isolate the problem if there is one. So plug your first device, turn on the receiver, select the right input, all right, depending what you have plugged where, and test it out. Fortunately, now you get sound, and if everything is fine, go ahead, connect the second HDMI cable, select the input over here, and try it out until everything is connected back. Now, if you're still having issues after doing this simple trick, you can do a factory reset. To do a factory reset, it's actually very easy. Put the unit in standby mode. So press the power button and wait until this light over here is red. And now we're gonna need to press this power button, but keep it pressed during around 8 seconds until you get on the screen over here a message saying that it has cleared. Let me demonstrate. I'm pressing the power button and I'm not releasing it until I see the message I just talked about on the display. Wait. Clearing. Okay, cleared. Once you see cleared, you can release the button, and this simply means that the factory reset has been done. So go ahead and test your unit again by plugging your devices and seeing if everything is working properly this time. This error could also happen if you press the speakers button over here. Maybe, I don't know, you have a kid, maybe you have touched it without knowing. Once you click on the speakers button, the speakers will be turned off, but the receiver will still be on and acting normally. So this is just something you keep in mind. If you see speakers off, just press speaker and you're going to see speaker on, and usually it works afterwards. If you have any other solutions on how to fix this issue, please leave a comment down below. I'm sure it will be helpful for many different people. If not, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.